Are you looking for the best pour-over coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the best pour-over coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Chemex Classic Series Coffee Maker. This is a recognizable design that's been in use since it was invented in 1941, with an attractive wooden collar and a leather tie strap. The coffee maker is borosilicate glass, which won't absorb flavors or odors, and it won't add any flavor to the coffee. It's also safe for use on low heat on a glass cooktop or low gas flame to keep the coffee warm or reheat it when required. The container can also be covered and refrigerated to save the coffee for later or chilled drinking. For cleaning, the wooden collar should be removed. The carafe can be hand-washed or placed in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Chemex makes its own filters for use with its pour-over coffee makers that are not the same as standard paper filters, so make sure you buy the right supplies for this coffee maker. Tasha Murtaugh, editorial director for The Spruce Eats, has used a Chemex for years and says she would absolutely recommend it to anyone who has the time to commit to brewing cafe-quality coffee. Plus, it's stylish, doesn't require electricity, and is more efficient to clean than a French press. Pour-over makers take some time to master and require continuous monitoring while brewing, so they're not ideal for those who are short on time, she says. However, when I can spare a few moments, it's a nice experience that makes me feel more connected to my morning cup. Just make sure to drink up before your coffee gets cold. Because it's not insulated, it doesn't stay hot for long. Capacity, 3, 6, 8, and 10 cups. Dimensions, 5.125 by 5.125 by 8.5, 6-cup model. Filters, yes. Dishwasher safe, yes. Remove wood collar. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2. Bodum Pour-Over Coffee Maker. This pour-over coffee maker comes in 3 sizes, and the protective band comes in multiple colors to add some fun to the kitchen. You can also purchase it with an eye-catching cork band, similar to that of a Chemex. It includes a permanent stainless steel filter, so flavors won't be absorbed by the paper, and you won't have to keep buying replacement filters. The borosilicate carafe is durable and heat-resistant, and can be washed in the dishwasher when you're done making coffee, so cleanup will always be easy. Capacity, 17, 34, and 51 ounces. Dimensions, 5.5 by 6.5 by 8.66 inches. Filters, includes permanent filter. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty, 1 year limited. Number 3. Yetel Stainless Steel Pour-Over Coffee Cone Dripper. No need for paper filters, and don't worry about breaking a glass or ceramic brewer. This durable filter will take plenty of abuse. Since it doesn't use paper filters, you get all the flavor from the coffee, without the oils being captured by the paper. At the same time, the superfine mesh traps the fine grounds, so you won't end up with gritty coffee. The silicone handle will help prevent burns, while the silicone on the base helps keep it from sliding as you pour. The base is designed to fit just about any cup, mug, thermos or carafe, so you won't have to look for one that will work. This is dishwasher safe, and a brush is included if you prefer to hand wash. A coffee scoop is also included. Capacity, single serve. Dimensions, 5.3 by 5.2 by 4.2 inches. Filters, no. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty, lifetime. Number 4. Melita Ceramic Pour-Over Coffee Dripper. You can make 1 cup of pour-over coffee at a time with this durable ceramic brewer. Just place it over your favorite coffee cup or mug, add a filter, measure the proper amount of coffee, and pour the water. The 3 holes in the brewer generally keep the coffee flowing at the right speed, so the flavor should be properly extracted every time, but this device does pour a little faster than others with only a single hole. Using a slightly finer grind should balance things out and help deliver taste-by coffee. Since there's no large carafe, this stores easily. A pack of 40 Melita brown coffee filters is included, so you'll be able to brew a lot of coffee before you need to buy more. For cleaning, you can wash this in the dishwasher, but it's also simple to wash by hand. Capacity, single serve. Dimensions, 3.875 by 4.625 by 4 inches. Filters, yes. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty, 90 days. Number 5. Asabu Copper Insulated Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Not only will this look attractive in any office, but the 32-ounce carafe is also vacuum insulated, so you can brew coffee and keep it warm for up to 12 hours, and it lets you brew enough coffee to share. Brew your coffee at work, if you have access to boiling water, or make your coffee at home, and just bring the elegant carafe to work. The copper exterior looks attractive and protects the borosilicate glass interior from accidental bumps, while that glass protects the purity of the coffee flavor. This has a stainless steel micro mesh filter, so you won't need paper filters. The fine mesh keeps grounds from getting your coffee gritty, and is easy to clean when brewing is done, while the heat-resistant collar gives you a safe grip when brewing or carrying. Capacity, 32 ounces, dimensions, 6.25 by 6.25 by 9.37 inches. Filters, include stainless steel filter, dishwasher safe, no warranty, lifetime. Number 6. Hario Wood Neck Drip Pot. Taste is highly subjective, especially when it comes to coffee. Some only drink light roast. Some swear by French presses. That being said, the Hario Nell drip set can unlock more delicious and powerful notes than many other coffee makers. The flavor won't be for everyone, but those who prefer the more robust taste of pour-over coffee to that of electric machines will be in heaven. When poured through the cloth filter, also known as a Nell, this coffee comes out thicker, stronger, and more fragrant. Not only is the flavor unique, but the design too. This pour-over is both elegant and rustic, thanks to the rich wood accents and, of course, the cloth filter. Cloth filters can get pricey though, and certainly cost more than paper ones, so that's a setback to consider. However, you can reuse cloth filters for months with a little extra cleanup. The item is also dishwasher safe. Capacity, 240 and 480 milliliters, 8 and 16 ounces, dimensions, 3.74 by 3.74 by 6.6 inches, 8-ounce model. Filters, includes cotton filter, dishwasher safe, no warranty, 90 days.